Setup of your laundry combo is designed to be simple and user-friendly. When you first turn on the appliance, the screen will show the initial setup process. First, select a region and time zone. Then, select a language. Next, connect to your home's Wi-Fi network. You'll need to agree to the terms of service. Finally, at this point, you can sign into your Samsung account in order to take advantage of SmartThings functionality. Once you're set up, it's recommended that you run a calibration cycle to ensure accurate weight detection. With the drum empty, power the unit on. Now tap Setting, then Washer, and finally, Calibration. Tap Start Calibration to start the process. It will take a few minutes to complete.